I'm on the top of Lishan here. It's December 31, 2021. Another COVID year gone. It's a bit chilly, but not too cold. It started off a nice day, but it started to get a bit cloudy. So I'm south of the university, and I'm just gonna head back down. Just got some steps to navigate. I was here last week. I forgot to put my seat down. So this is only about the third time I've been up here. I always thought it was a bit far, but it's not really. But it took about an hour, 55 minutes to get to the top here. So that's Furongjian straight ahead, where they're doing the construction. And just below it is like the Ligen Line, which I do a bit. So it's quite a, it's 55-minute ride for me to get to the top. It seems pretty steep. Much steeper than Ligen, which takes me an hour. And that seems to be the highest peak just around here. It's a 7k climb to the top, so I'll have to check it out with Ligen. Oh, I'm glad I got the coffee, brought all my winter gear, because it is a bit cold up here. Straight ahead is Lishan, the mountains, and yep, the university is way off to my left. I'm just going to take it easy going down here. So you can see the road I'll be going down on the right. Yeah, quite a few turns in it. I don't think it's probably as interesting as Lishan. I mean, Lishan's quite amazing. Alright, but this is quite a nice view from over here. Yep, you can see Furongjian going where the construction is, where that building is on the top. Ligen is on the edge over there. No, this isn't where the nice views are, but you get to see it. I'll keep pointing those out. I meant to see what my elevation was. I think it's about 670. Explore that one day. Looks interesting. not as exposed as Lishan. So it's cold and windy, but yeah, it can get really tough up there. And I mean, even at Ligen Line, there's a place about halfway up where you can get drinks. This is quite, there's nothing really up here, so you've got to bring everything of my own. But I can do a loop and end up sort of, which is what I did the other day. I might kind of do this one a little bit more, but that was a really tough ride. And you can see down on the right just where I've got to go. There's some nice views coming up. There is a nice place. Maybe I don't think I passed it. I don't understand what they're doing. Oh yeah, some nice views here. So there's the Ligen Line just about halfway down. I'll try to point that out, yeah. Alright, so where the 3 antenna are, that's Ligen Line. Then we head over, there you can see a building on top of the hill, that's Furongjian, and they're building the road up to it. And then down here you've got the Ligen Line, which kind of takes us over to Lishan, and that's a nice little loop as well. Alright, it's a nice little place, let's just keep going. You can probably hear some new noises. That's my new Wahoo, which is my GPS for the bike. Just the other week I just got fed up with my iPhone. And you know, it just, you know, if I'm doing a really long day trip where I really need the GPS and I'm following a route, it just becomes really frustrating when I'm just spending half my time worrying about if my phone's connected to its a recharger. And yeah, I just got sick of it. It was the day, it was raining, and for some reason my phone just can't recharge on a rainy day, and it just ruins the damn it, I don't know how much I lost there. Yeah, my GoPro keeps turning off. Don't know why it does that. What a pain. Anyway. Well, I don't know what I was talking about, but I was talking about my Wahoo. Yeah, I mean, I've been travelling for what, nearly 2 hours. My Wahoo's on 96%, my phone is on 79. I'm using it for probably a bit more for the GoPro, but yeah, it just doesn't have the power for long distances. it does everything, but the problem is now that means I'll be moving away from my Apple Watch, which I really, really like, but Apple are just so annoying, and just the way they just control everything. So probably next year I might be buying just a heart rate monitor and working with that. There's a lot of turns on this road, so there's very few places where you can build up a bit of speed. You can just see controlling the GoPro really sucks up the power on the on my phone. Yeah, so what was this? 2.5. That was about 500 Australian dollars for this Wahoo. But I don't think it's as good as my cyclometer app, but it's the power is just the main thing. Yeah, you really need the phone for emergencies. So yeah. But okay, the problem is I really like the Apple Watch. I think that's just going to have to go sometime. So I guess I'll give that to Mum if I ever go back to Australia. Wahoo are the live segments. They're really makes their cycling more fun. So the Strava app is very basic, but this the Wahoo really makes it more of a race. And yeah, it's like yesterday was fun because I had segments all along the way. This was only the one here, you know, just down near the end. Still got a fair while to go. Six minutes. Alright, I'm just going to see. I think it's about must turn itself off after about 8 minutes, I think. That's my GoPro. So I'm going down to the end. Well, I hope you have a happy new year. I think all be good here. Just keep this going just for the sake of it, see where we end up. 8:27. Now this is still recording. What? I don't understand why it turns itself off. Alright. Going over my eyes, I can barely see. Yep, so this is the G102. I'll turn left here and go back home, back to WKU. Stop, and let's just make sure I can actually see where I'm going now. Alright. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this is the G102. This will take me all the way into town. The crazy thing here is all these coffee shops, and they all sell really, really good coffee. Our landlord owns a coffee shop, and we got some of the coffee beans he uses in his shop. I just had some before today, and wow, it's quite amazing stuff. More coffee shops. Yeah, a lot of people here, there's strong connections with Italy. I think that's where their coffee has come from, the coffee culture. Setting up the Wahoo was a bit difficult because China being China and its internet, sensitive about GPS and maps. So I got it to work okay, which is nice. left. I think this place to the left, I think they were calling it like Little Italy. And I mean, they're saying it's some sort of tourist destination, but there's nothing there. But there's a few nice, it's pleasant, but nothing special. Why? It is dangerous. That's my path is right. How much of this? So I'm nearly home. I was just trying to navigate the maze of these streets. Yep, so that's where I am, just straight across from here. It's been a nice ride. The most important thing is I was able to get over my 5,000k for the year, so that's good. I'm probably going to make myself a pizza for the night. Just should actually get myself some wine as well. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I didn't realise I think I've been here for quite a few weeks, and this area just been hidden, and then it just opens up, and it turns out there's this quite pleasant little park that they're building just across the road from us. There we go. Alright, well, I hope it's a happy new year for everyone. Up here. Hopefully I'll get to see you guys in 2022. Okay, happy new year, and I'll see you all around. Bye bye.